So how to install Voya Retire mobile app? So just tap get, and then you'll be able to install it. We are passionate about making your life easier. Download the Voya Retired mobile app to save in a snap. We made it easy, intuitive, and secure for you to save all in one place. The Voya Retired mobile app was designed for you to meet you where you are, so you can help boost your retirement savings and manage your money all while on the go. Power in the palm of your hands. You will have easy access to your retirement plan, health savings, and investment accounts, smart learning tools, resources, and more. Um, Intuitive, interactive, and simple to use. Save more securely, and then you can see how this app looks like. A total balance, and this is just like a mobile app for that. For if you're using this bank. You can log in easily from this app, or you can just try to register, where maybe it's just easier to register for this kind of apps on a desktop. Then you just have your SSN or employee ID and PIN, and then you just enter it here. And then if you need any help, just reach out to their customer support from here. Like sometimes you might think that these finance apps are quite complicated to use from mobile. You need to use laptop, but when you start and set it up on your laptop, actually on the mobile, it's pretty convenient and fast and easy.